All right, all right. So this is a little guy I put together. I spray painted it. I got some comments about that and spray painting. Let me tell you how much I care about what people think about me spray painting my weapon. I don't care. And some people commented about how they don't like that I put a bronze scope on there. Don't care about that either. I shoot what I like because I like it. But man, this thing's nice. Easy to pick up. This red dot, sweet. But just a little shooter, you know. Just a little play guy. Easy to get down on. Boom. Very easy to see even midday here. It's just beautiful. So, this is my guy here. Working with a little single hand today. Safety on. Boom. Lefty, ready? Here we go. Yeah, that was the last one. I got it.